Hello, kids. Welcome to Learn with Fun. Hi, let's learn some colors. Pink color, rose pink color, brown color, yellow color, light green color, gray color, violet color, violet color, A, light green color, B, yellow color, C, gray color, D, yellow color, E, pink color, F, brown color, G, rose pink color, H, violet color, I, light green color, J, gray color, K, pink color, L, yellow color, M, violet color, N, light green color, O, rose pink color, P, brown color, Q, yellow color, R, pink color, S, gray color, T, violet color, U, light green color, V, rose pink color, W, brown color, X, yellow color, Y, pink color, Z, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Subscribe.